Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of downloading the Zoom app on your Windows laptop or PC. Whether you're using it for work, school, or socializing, it's super easy, so let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Just double click the icon on your desktop. Now, type in the URL and hit enter. Now, scroll down. Once you land on the Zoom Download Center, click on the download button. Here you can find your download history. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file. It should be in your downloads folder. You can access it by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar and selecting downloads. Or you can simply click on here too. Now double click the installer. And that is how Zoom will simply download and launch in your desktop. And click on done. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Zoom app on your Windows laptop.